Keywords. Keywords are everywhere. Everyone always speaks about keywords and they are the most important thing in your YouTube video upload, which makes your videos get found by YouTube. By the end of this video, we're going to help you get found by using keywords correctly. So keywords are part of the metadata, and metadata is the information that you give YouTube, so YouTube and Google understand what your video is about. And so what I mean by this is all the words that you put in on your descriptions and your titles and your file name and your tags all determines what your video is about. So you're effectively saying, look, this is what my video is about, and then YouTube will determine when someone searches for something or when it's thinking of suggesting your video to another channel, this is what that content is about, this is what this video is about, and so we're going to circulate that within people who are looking at these keywords. So if you've got a car channel, and so your keywords might be Porsche or GT3 or Ferrari or Aston Martin, those are keywords about cars, so you're never going to come up as a suggested video to someone who's been looking at cakes or how to bake cakes, because they're totally not relevant. But the only way YouTube knows that is through the metadata that you give it. So that's why you see a lot of videos sometimes out there with absolutely no views whatsoever, and that's because there's probably not enough data in there for them to determine who it is. And if they've got no subscribers, then how does YouTube know that this is what this video is about just by one title? So the best ways to put your keywords now are in your file name to begin with. So what we mean by that is the actual file that you're going to upload to YouTube. You want to make sure your keyword is in there. So usually your title of your video as the title of the name of the actual video file as well. So if it's going to be how to bake a cake, you want that video title to be how to bake a cake. And that goes on to your title when you're actually uploading it. So when it says title, you need to be putting your keywords in there again. If it's your channel, add it on there, especially always the title. So how to bake a cake needs to be that initial keyword that you see on your title, and then you can put your channel afterwards or series, etc. But make sure straight away you've got that keyword in there. And then into your description as well, you need to make sure you put all these keywords in. So you need to be talking about baking, you need to talk about cakes, icing, everything which is relevant to the industry that you're in, and especially those keyword phrases. So we're not just looking at one single word, we're looking at keyword phrases as well, which you're going to repeat again into your tags. So if you've got a file name saying how to bake a cake, and then you're going to have a title that says how to bake a cake, you got how to bake a cake in your description as well, more than once, and then you put how to bake a cake in your tags. YouTube and Google now know that if someone types in how to bake a cake, you've got all the data in those videos that is exactly what this video is about, is how to bake a cake. So they're going to match you with that straight away, and you're going to come up maybe in that first page of results on YouTube. And so that's why keywords are so important, just by making sure that they're in all those different places, and that helps Google and YouTube understand the metadata. So as well, for your, if you ever see other channels, you want to be associated with other channels, put keywords, especially in your tags, put your competitions channels titles in there. So if you've got a competitor who you really like and you want to be associated with their audience, in your tags when you're uploading, make sure you put their channel in there, because that means when someone's searching for that channel, you're not going to get on that first page, but you might become suggested, and that's the sort of way to build at that growth naturally. The more and more you do that, the more you'll be associated with that channel, and you'll become more relevant for them. So hopefully that gives you a basic understanding on how keywords work. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We've got some great content coming up soon, and I'll see you next time. I've been Alex from the TRX Media House.